Hello guys, today I want to show you how to check the battery level of your AirPods and the charging case. So we can do this in the two ways. First is just to open the charging case, and now we have to wait until this notification pop-ups on our screen, and as you can see, AirPods had 100% and the case is on 42%, but we can also do this without the opening the case. So move to the left and edit the widgets, and now we have to just click on the more widgets to add the batteries. Click on it done, and right now on our widgets screen you can clearly see what is the level of your battery on the AirPods and the AirPod case. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.